Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Monday and we are going to be doing the mini challenges on Monday that we always do. We have $40 to work with this week. We have our double dice, so we're going to do it a little different. We're going to go back to the little basics that we have done at the very beginning, and we're just going to roll 2 dice and we're going to be putting $2 on the envelopes. Now I do have 8 and then I'm doing 2 dice, so anything above 8 is just going to be a wild card and I can just put it wherever I want. So we're going to do that. It's a little bit of a twist because I don't think I've ever done that one with the 2 die and like have a wild card. So we're going to do that today. Before we get started, I have some Happy Mail that I want to show you guys. So first up is from the Two Sister Bees. This is their second month doing the Scratch Off Club. It's $17 to join, and you get this every single month, and then they ship out, I think this is June. Is this June? I want to say this is June's. No, it's Bear Cafe, so it's May of 2024. They go on sale the month prior, and then they shipped out the beginning of each month. So this one is the Bear Cafe for May of 2024. You can either have the team strawberries or team blueberries. And I got the strawberries, which I'm super excited. I would prefer the blueberry only because it's blue and that's my favorite color. But they are super cute. So the first thing that we got was the small little scratch off that we get. And it says we need berries, scratch a berry, and save any 3 bills or coins. And then on the back is just a little card. Next one is just like a business card. And this is color and save $1 or $3 each symbol. So that would be cute. I kind of want to do like a separate video of the Two Sister Bees and start scratching off so I don't fall behind on it, because I have last month and then I have this month. So I think that it would be super cute just to start another series and do nothing but Two Sister Bees, and then maybe this can be like my priority sinking funds, like savings, debt, and fertility. I think that would be really good. Let me know your thoughts of just doing a separate video with Two Sister Bees, scratch offs and games. So the next one is the Team Strawberry has the best cafe items. Order and save the amount shown. Check the boxes until complete. So each box has 3, and it's like strawberries are $3, milk is $5, oatmeal is $6, and so on and so forth. And then you can color in these strawberries. It says, let's pick some strawberries. Roll your dice to get the amount of each berry, color, and save. And then over here is the scratch off. It says save your choice of $2 or $5 per scratch. Each time you make a match, save your choice of $5 or $10. So that would be really good. So your totals can go either way. It can be a smaller amount. It could be a bigger amount. I kind of want to do a big amount, or maybe like flip-flop it back and forth. So I thought this was cute. So all of their scratch offs are double-sided, so each side has a game on it. That's super fun. So this is the card for May, and this is the Berry Cafe Scratch Off Club, May 2024. And it says, did you receive Team Blueberry or Team Strawberry? And it just shows you like everything that you would receive. I think they announced the June one, which I'm super excited about the June one as well. So let me know if you think I should do a separate video of me doing the Two Sister Bee challenges, and then it can automatically go towards like a priority. So those are super cute. Love her. They're still doing the scratch offs if you want to join. And last but not least, I got a video from Nikki. Not a video, a Happy Mail from Nikki. This is Nikki's financial journey, or Castillo Creations. And she sent me, so this is a little note, and I literally like teared up. She is like literally the best person ever, and she is so sweet, you guys. I absolutely love her. I'm going to link her stuff down below because she deserves it. She wants to do this full time, and I completely support her 100%. So she sent me some little goodies that I wanted to show you guys. So these can all work for my mini challenges. So that's the reason why I'm showing it on this one, except for maybe the last one or the last two because it is a very big amount. So the first one is the Save 45, and this is the Sun one. There is the time off, which is $20 and it's save $180. And then the Hello Summer is save $120. They are all laminated, which is really nice. She created these, she cut them, she laminated them, and they are just perfect, you guys. The next ones can be saved, can be used for my like travel binder for our upcoming trip in October. So it's save $200, so each icon is $50. And then this one is the save $500, and each icon is $100. Probably going to use that towards the end or getting closer to my trip. So those are so cute, you guys. She just launched these a couple of weeks ago, so go ahead and head over to her Etsy shop and support her because she deserves it. She is one of my good friends, one of my besties, and I absolutely love her. So that is Nikki over at Nikki's Financial Journey or Castello's Creations. So go ahead and support her, you guys. All right. I did end up getting a comment. It's from Richard Smith, who is like an OG on my channel that comments every time. He gives great advice. He is so sweet. I absolutely love him. But he asked me, like, since this challenge is $200, have you ever decided just to scratch it and then just, you know, put it towards something else, another challenge, which I completely understand because $200 is a long time for me to save, even when I'm just doing like rolling and it's, I don't get a lot every single Monday. So I decided to scratch this one off, and we are going to, it's still going to be the same theme. It's going to be a monthly. We're going to do the Easter challenge, and this does not have any denominations. So we're going to put $2 for the denominations, and the goal is $60. So whenever we're done, we are going to count this. Maybe we'll be done. Hopefully not. I'm pretty sure we won't be finished with this, but we will update this once we are done passing out the money. Now that is a lot of talking. I am so sorry, you guys. So let's go ahead and get started and roll. So at 6, 7, 8, we're just going to be putting $2. $2, that's all. 4, 5. Okay. 6, 7. I really want to finish this one. 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is a wild. So we're going to just pile it on golden locks. So that is 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Wait, I'm messing up. 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we can just get wild cards and finish it. 6, 7, 8. But I also want everybody to get something. So 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7. And we're gonna say 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. Dang, the bottom row is like getting it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think I'm done with this one. I think. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh. I need one. I need a wild. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's put it in 1. 6, 7, 8. 8 is just getting everything. 2, perfect. So we just need a 4, and then everybody gets the love or a wild card. 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So we have 2 more rolls. That's 8. 8. Okay. And then let's see what this roll is. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. That will go into this one that did not get any love. So everybody got love today. Super exciting. So let's go ahead and we will get, I want to do the Goldilocks last. All right, perfect. So let's go ahead and get the first one. So the first one is, which was got a lot. This is the Princess and the Frog from Cute Budgets. We are going to be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. $14. Plus we have leftovers. 14, 15, 16, and 17. So we're going to put 2 aside because each denomination is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we're going to put $15. I'm trying to see. Let's just do the purple highlighter. So we're going to be coloring 1, 2, and 3 for 15. So we only need $10 left, and we'll be done with this one. That is awesome. And this, like I said, is from Cute Budgets. Everybody will be linked down below. Go and support them, of course. Next one is Orange Savings Challenge, and this is from Jessie C Budgets, and they are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There is some extra, so there's $1 extra from last week. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. $7. So we will mark off this one. So right now this totals at $72. We have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. $43. I will cash condense a lot of these off camera, so it won't be as thick. All right, so like I said, the new one, Easter Challenge, we're adding $2. So let's see how much we are going to be putting in, because each row equals to $20. So we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So let's just do that. 31, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Halfway done, you guys. That was like the best decision. Thank you so much, Richard, for suggesting this, because I feel so much better and not stressed about finishing that $200 one. The next one is my challenge, which is the Flower Power. And we are going to be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We do have some extra ones, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to be saved. And we are going to be coloring in 1 for $5. And my stuff is always linked down below. So right now we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. $25. And that is for the Flower Power. Next one is from the Humble Budgeter. We don't have any extra, and we're adding 2. So we're going to be coloring a $2 one. All right, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. $18 out of $100. Next one is the other cafe that I have been working on, and we are going to be adding $2 to this one. So we're just going to go ahead and finish off the last $2. We're getting closer. So right now we have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, and 53. $53 of $75. Next one is from Nikki's, the one that I just showed you from the Happy Mail. And we're going to be adding $2, but we do have extras. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have $5 that we are going to be adding. And we get to color in one more. This will finish off this row. So we only have one more row and we'll be done. So this saves $60. And this has 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. $45 out of $60. And last but not least, hopefully I did this right. We don't have anything extra. We're going to be adding, oh no, I think I did it wrong. Crap, I think I did $6. Oh no, it's okay. It's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Crap. We don't have any extras too. I thought I jumped from 2, 4, and 8. Yes, I did. I did do that. Crap. Okay, so we have $6. We will officially finish this next week, you guys. I promise you. So right now we have 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52. We only need $2 more. So we're going to do it next week, you guys. I'm so sorry. I thought we were going to be ringing the bell. I guess my math was definitely not mathing today. But anyway, so that is it, you guys. We did a pretty good bit. So hopefully we'll finish some challenges next week. Hopefully, most likely this one. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys on Tuesday for our regular money challenge. Bye, guys.